Bumaba ang value ng bahay mo. Please, huwag kang mataranta agad. Lately, bumaba talaga ang estimated market value ng maraming properties compared to last year. And I get it. Nakaka-stress na makita na dati, sabihin natin na 600,000 ang bahay mo. Tapos ngayon, $550,000 na lang. Hindi ibig sabihin na kailangan mong gumawa agad ng move. First, check your numbers. Magkano na ang mortgage balance mo? Magkano na talaga ang realistic market value ngayon? At magkano ang equity mo? And then, ask yourself, may kailangan ba akong gawin ngayon or kailangan ko lang mag-adjust ng strategy? Kung hindi ka naman nagbebenta, you don't necessarily need to panic over a temporary market change. But if you're planning to refinance, access equity, buy another property, or renew your mortgage soon, that's when the lower valuation can actually affect your options. So don't make a financial decision dahil lang sa isang lower estimate. Know your numbers first, then make your move. That's exactly why I believe homeowners should have a mortgage strategy, not just a mortgage. Kung gusto mo lagi updated sa mundo ng mortgages, follow for more.